Long ago, in the heart of the ancient Egyptian desert, there lived a tiny scarab beetle named Khepri. Khepri was not like the other scarabs. He was adorned with intricate golden markings, symbolizing the sun god Ra. One day, as Khepri was rolling a ball of dung, he stumbled upon a glimmering stone hidden beneath the sand. The stone was smooth, radiant, and pulsating with an energy that made Khepri's heart flutter. Curious, Khepri picked up the stone and carried it back to his humble home. He spent days and nights studying the stone, trying to understand its purpose. But no matter how hard he tried, the stone remained silent. Despite his frustration, Khepri refused to give up. He knew that the stone was special, and it was his duty to uncover its secret. So, he embarked on a journey to seek the wisdom of the wise elder, Anubis. Anubis listened attentively as Khepri explained his predicament. He then told Khepri the story of the scarab and the sun god Ra. Long ago, Ra created a magical stone to guide him as he journeyed across the sky each day. The stone was given to a scarab, just like you, to carry it through the underworld. The stone would light up only when it reached the land of the dead, signaling Ra's passage. Khepri was astonished. He realized that the stone he found was the very same stone that guided Ra. His heart filled with gratitude, he vowed to protect it and carry it through the underworld each night. From that day on, Khepri fulfilled his duty with great honor and dedication. He rolled the precious stone through the underworld each night, symbolizing the cycle of life and death. The moral of the story is that every creature has a purpose, and it's our duty to discover and fulfill that purpose. The scarab, humble and small, played a vital role in the grand scheme of things. Just as Khepri fulfilled his duty, we too must strive to find our purpose and live with honor and dedication.